To manually import bank feeds into Xero, follow these steps. Log into Xero. Open Xero and log in using your credentials. Navigate to bank accounts. From the Xero dashboard, go to accounting in the top menu and select bank accounts. Select the bank account. Choose the bank account into which you want to import transactions. Download bank statement. Log into your online banking platform and export the most recent bank statement. Ensure the file is in a supported format such as CSV, OFX, QIF, or XML. Check your bank for the specific format required. Import the bank statement into Xero. In Xero, click on the Import button in the bank account screen. Upload the downloaded bank statement file from your computer. Map the columns. Xero will automatically attempt to map the columns from the bank statement. Review the mappings to ensure everything is correct. If necessary, adjust the column mappings. Confirm import. Click Import to upload the bank transactions into Xero. The transactions will now be available for reconciliation.